Yeah, so anyway, this is the room I've been working on.
Oh, nice.
Thank you. The only thing I don't know how to do are these electrical thingies.
Oh, I got that. I know how to do that. I've done hundreds and thousands of those things. I'll just, we'll just turn the light switch out and I'll be good. I'll go right to it.
Just the light switch, that's it?
Mm-hmm, yeah, I got that. No problem.
Okay, if you say so. I'll be back.
Okay. Hey, lady, hey, help.
Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Throw the breaker on.
Freaking Craigslist! I'm calling 911!
So keep watching, guys, and I'm going to show you the right way to do this so you don't have to be this guy. To get this started here, we're going to need a new plug-in and a new cover plate. Alright, then the next thing I like to do is plug in one of these little things so I can plug it in and see if it's wired correctly. You can tell a lot of stuff right there, and it has the little combo of different lights to tell you what's going on. This one that lit up on the side, so it shows that it's wired correctly. All we have to do is replace the way it is. Okay, next thing you want to do is plug something into it, like this light here. Makes it obvious that the power is on. Now that I have the power out from flipping the breaker, I know the power's out because I saw this light go out when I flipped the breaker. This is about it, really. These three things mostly you're gonna need. I want to test my wires, and let's get this thing started here. Now, if you'll notice, they've got this push in, these holes. You push the wire in, makes it real simple. It works fine, except that it has a tendency to get loose and cause a loose connection, intermittent, working and not working, and that would cause it to start shorting and burning, possibly. I mean, eventually I just see all kinds of trouble. Now, if you get this new kind that has the screws on the side, this is the better approach. Even though they have holes here in the back, you can push it in, but a much better connection is to turn the end of the wire into a little hook and hook it right onto here. Okay, so now we're going to get these ground wire off. Okay, and these wires here, usually you can get them out like that, or you can cut the end off, but yeah, look how much better that's going to look. Is to put a little hook in the end, strip off a little more wire here, and then put a hook in the end, something like that. There, make a nice little hook. Now, this is how you're gonna, you got your darkest wire is going to the darkest screws, the gold colored ones. I'm gonna put the white one over here on the silver and white, okay, and then the ground is going on this little green screw. So we just make a nice little hook on the end of the ground. Hook it onto there. And then I like to pinch it nice and tight. Hopefully I can get in there and pinch it a little bit. And then screw it together. Now if you notice, this and this is hooked together, so it doesn't matter which one of these you put it on, it's all going to be connected. So when I hook this on, if I have it turned this way, it's the wrong way. Because as I screw it on, the screws will make this thing want to open up. So I flip it over this way and hook it in. Now as I tighten the screw, it helps make it even better. Let's see. See there? Now, nice and tight, and it's all happening there. Flip it over and do this side. Okay, now remember, this is the wrong way, because you're going to screw it this way. So flip it over, and put it in that way. Yeah. Okay. Now that is a much better connection than poking it in the end in these holes here. Okay. So now I usually just put this ground down, bend these wires up around and squish them inside. So you can see I'm up here fairly tight. I'll back it off a little bit. Fairly tight, back it off a little bit so that I can adjust left and right as I tighten it. Alright, now we need one of these little things here. Make it look nice. Okay, just like that. Look at the difference. You see how ugly this old one is and how nice and new this is for the... Okay, now as you can see, I did several plugins and I found out that they're not all on the same switch at the fuse box. So you make sure you test each one, and then when you're all done, plug in the little device and make sure that it's shows that it's wired properly. Okay, I'll fix it here, and I only needed a few tools to do this job. It's not that hard. You can do it. Just make sure that you test and make sure your power is off. Don't be that guy, you know, like me, and doing things with the power on and crap like that. Make it, make it right. Okay. Adios. See ya later. Ciao. Voila, you know, whatever. Do you know what to do? Hit the like button, would you?